Chai and samosa are popular snacks in Hyderabad, just like in many other parts of India. Here are some interesting facts and insights related to chai and samosa culture in Hyderabad. Irani chai. Hyderabad is known for its Irani chai, a unique style of tea influenced by Persian traditions. It's a strong, sweet, and milky tea often accompanied by Osmania biscuits or Irani samosas at traditional Irani cafes. Samosa variations. While the classic potato-filled samosa is widely enjoyed, Hyderabad offers variations like keema, minced meat, samosas, vegetable samosas, and even sweet samosas filled with jaggery and coconut. Street food culture. You can find chai and samosa stalls on almost every street corner in Hyderabad, especially in bustling markets like Charminar and Old City. These stalls offer a quick and tasty snack for locals and tourists alike. Tea addas. Hyderabad has its own version of tea addas or tea stalls, where people gather to enjoy tea and snacks while engaging in conversations or simply watching the world go by. These addas often have a unique, old-world charm. Evening ritual. Chai and samosas are often enjoyed as an evening snack in Hyderabad. Many families and friends gather at local tea stalls to unwind and savor these treats together. Ramadan delicacies. During the holy month of Ramadan, Hyderabad streets come alive with food vendors selling a variety of samosas, from traditional potato and meat samosas to special regional variations. Irani cafe culture. Hyderabad's Irani cafes have a rich history and are known for serving delicious chai and samosas along with other snacks and bakery items. Places like Nimrah Cafe and Bakery near Charminar are famous for their Irani chai and samosas. Chai carts. In addition to traditional tea stalls, you can find chai carts on Hyderabad streets, where vendors prepare tea on the spot and serve it along with freshly fried samosas. Fusion variations. Some cafes and restaurants in Hyderabad offer fusion variations of samosas, filling them with unique ingredients like chicken tikka, paneer, or even chocolate for a modern twist. Chai samosa events. Hyderabad often hosts food festivals and events celebrating the combination of chai and samosas, attracting food enthusiasts from all over the city. Chai and samosa culture is an integral part of Hyderabad's culinary landscape, offering a delightful experience for both locals and visitors to savor the flavors of this vibrant city. Don't forget to like and subscribe.